you cover Facebook, you cover Snapchat, you cover Twitter. You sat down with Adam Bain, the COO of Twitter, at Adweek. Obviously, there's a lot going on with Twitter right now. You've reported that Disney's interested, Salesforce is interested, potentially Alphabet even interested in buying Twitter, but there's a lot of skepticism around the future of Twitter as a platform that can continue to grow. What were the most significant things that Adam Bain had to say to you?
Well, Adam is convinced that live video is going to drive the future of Twitter's growth. And this is always the story we get with Twitter. It's potential, potential, potential. This is the latest product that has potential for Twitter. So we still haven't seen it in the numbers, but we know that Adam Bain is confident that people are tuning in for NFL. People were tuning in for the debates. 2.4 million for the last NFL game. We'll see what they have tonight. And this is really the future of Twitter's growth strategy. They're trying to get not just the social media budgets, but the video budgets that would otherwise go to places like YouTube and Hulu.
So, Harry, Facebook and Google dominate mobile advertising. How much potential do you think Twitter actually has to take a more significant cut of that?
Well, Twitter has been one of the key companies in social. If you look at Snapchat, you look at Facebook, you look at Instagram, it has been one of the key leaders. Now, one of the things that Twitter needs to do, and you saw with their acquisition of MoPub, is to make it much more self-service and easier to buy Twitter for lots of third parties, what we call the long-tail advertisers. I think you see with Facebook's announcement this week that Instagram is going to be available self-service. That's a signal to the market that self-service is the key driver to growth in the market itself. When you look at Facebook's revenues, what you see is that only 25% comes from brands. 75% comes from small businesses and app downloads. And so when you look at those percentages as a part of the market, what you realize is that Twitter and Snapchat and all the major publishers and media companies out there, they need to be able to self-serve and allow all the long-tail third-party advertisers access their platforms.
Sarah, did you find that people are taking Snapchat seriously as an ad platform, or should I say Snap spectacles and all?
Well, people are definitely interested to see what they do with the future of their ad platform. They're expected to open up their ads API very soon, which could allow people to kind of build ad products off of Snapchat, which would be a very big revenue driver for them. The thing that people still worry about with Snapchat is they measure their video views different than Facebook, which measures them different than YouTube. Like Harry said, there's still not a common denominator for people to really evaluate whether their videos are doing better on one platform versus another. And Snapchat seems determined to play in its own sandbox with that. And some advertisers are a little bit frustrated. Why can't you just go with a standard of the market? You're new, you're trying to get budgets. We don't want to do something completely different for Snapchat. That said, they're very excited about a millennial audience, a younger audience that they can target.
Harry, how do you feel about Snapchat so far?
So the team over at Snapchat is really great. Philippe Browning, who is in the ads business over there, was at CBS. He's actually a close friend of mine. He's one of the best in the industry. Imran Khan, who came over from an investment bank, he's really thinking thoughtfully about the business. And when talking to Imran, he basically said that he's feeling very bullish about the growth of Snapchat's advertising business going forward. I think they have a lot of work to do. Obviously, they're just starting out and building their overall ad sales team. It's a brand new business for them to get into ads, but given the massive amount of teenagers, tweens, and even millennials using the platform, I think there's a lot of growth and a lot of interest in investing in that platform.